Aren't you tired of your regular fufu? Your amala, your eba, elubo, what else? Iyan pandoya. Let's go this route and see how to make fufu in a different way. Fufu made with potato and oatmeal. This is my potato, Irish potato to be precise, and this is my oatmeal. 8 ounces, fine. This one is just 6 medium balls. Peel it, peel washed, blend together with little water and turn it on fire. Boom, you made your fufu. Come on, let's do it. Let's go and let our fufu straight to the fire. Let's go. So start turning it, guys. Start turning it. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, oh why, oh why, oh why. Baby, can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me bring the veggies with it so that we can use my potato and oatmeal fufu to eat it. Alright guys, this is just the end of today's video. Please kindly share, like and subscribe and push the notifications button so that anytime we upload any new video, you always be notified. Till we see again, thank you so much. Keep on sharing it. Love you. Bye.